Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I apologise to everybody for the amount of time that the distances. I'm just starting to get back into the swing of it. Are you going on the front with your monocular? And I'm just going to show you the Christmas tree. I've done a video, I think the last one was regarding the job that my son-in-law on this wall here. Just going to show you how it's turned out. So far, it isn't completely finished yet. He's put the knobs on the cabinet there, down there on the cabinet at the bottom, and I'm just gonna. It's getting used now, as you can see. I'm just going to step back a bit and get the remote control because we have a remote control, a couple of remote controls actually. And what we've done is over the past month, the whole bungalow's been getting redecorated. We just have some new blinds to get, but all the floors been replaced. This unit was being built. We haven't got all the lights in it as yet, and that's a nice little addition. I've got my 3D printer, which is broken down at the moment because the motherboard's gone on it. Sorry about any shaking, it's just going round. And we've put that clock there, and it was a Christmas present, that clock there, this one here from my cousin, but I actually opened it a little bit earlier. Nice little clock. It's in copper colour, the same to match the walls. That's them 3D tiles. They've been painted copper. They're brilliant. They're not actually they're not foam, they're actually bamboo. What they'll do is, you know, like they treat bamboo the same way as they do would make it. It's not ply, but it is on a similar process. And there was that. Anyway, and we're not completely finished, but we have lights there. Make sure that's all turned on there, and we've got lights there. I'll just turn the main light off and let you see. And we also have lights in this cupboard, on them shelves there too. It's a nice little one moment, princess. This is our Lily May here. She's after getting hold of the remote, and she wants to show everybody how she operates the light. But can I do it first, show them properly, and then I'll let you show people, yeah? And say hi, Lily. Say hi to everyone. She's just being tormented. And these ones here, I've just done white ones there. Then I've got like 6 white lights there, which light up beautifully when it's dark. So they're a lovely night light. And same as these lights here, but these, I decided I wanted to add a bit of colour under this shelf. One more, there's a bit of colour under this shelf here, and you can hardly see them too, but you can see because of the light. It's only night time when you put them on. I turn them red as well. I got one more, and I can have them green. I can turn them green as well, and they shine lovely. They give a lovely on these 2 chairs here. They give a lovely colour. And I can actually fade the colours so that the colours fade in. And there's 16 different colours is now going to fade, like purple, blue, green, orange, red. That's what it'll do on that. So I'm just fading the colours in on there. So anyway, this is my son-in-law built this. He's not finished yet. Still have the lights to go there. There's some lights and a picture going in there, and all the lights are going to be. It's a picture of all my grandchildren. Like that one there. There's a picture of all my grandchildren. All 10 of them at the moment. Ranging from 15 to little Lily May there. She was 2.5 when that was taken. She's now 3. She had a birthday last week and she's 3 years old. And that's all my grandchildren. The whole bunch of them together. That was them pictures there, a birthday present to the missus on her birthday. And this one here is my grandson Ashton, and my granddaughter Hallie. And my newest member, he's the youngest of the lot now. He's now younger than our Lily May by 6 months, and that's our Kit. Lily May calls him Kit Kat. And we have a little robot down there that belongs to Oliver. He's using that tablet because he has another Christmas present to come. And I will do I have a robotic hoover. That's a Pifco. And I'll tell you what, all I'll say at the moment now is brilliant. My assistant, the wife that is, she is really happy she's got that. Because she doesn't have to go around hoovering up. And this is the new tree she got this year. As you remember last year, I did, on my last site, I did criticise it, but I can't criticise this. It's a lovely tree. Right, and they're the two sockets down there. My son-in-law also put these two sockets here, and they have two USBs on each side and two 240-pin, 3-pin sockets to 240 volts there, and he fitted that in too. Because you know why USBs? It gets badly used. That I think I'll have to replace all of them in the bungalow. Get them all replaced. We got new chairs. And we also got these lamb's fleece covers to go on them. They're all recliners. Lovely chairs, beautiful chairs. I do like them. And one of the reasons she bought them chairs is because they've got legs on. And all of the we call the vacuum cleaner, we call it Piffy. And there's the, it's a self-dock and it charges itself and all that, but we just took it and then charged it because we're still doing things around the house. And as you can see, out the door, all of my hallway's done. We have a new bedroom. I'll just give you a quick look at the bedroom because, you know, this is all the decoration that I've been doing. There we are, there's our bedroom. We still have the blinds to replace in this room, and there's Oliver on the computer. But we just had everything all redecorated and everything, so it's been quite hectic in this house. It was like a building site at one time, you know, because when my son-in-law and my daughter's the one that does all the design, and she designs all these different shelving units to go to different rooms. It's all made to, she makes it all to match. And you know, everybody's that's coming now, all my new visitors. I mean, I always liked light, bright colours. And when my daughter showed some colour strips of what she's going to do, I was like, whoa. I was thinking, too, it's going to be dark. It's going to be like, I mean, I was insulting saying, God, it looks a bit like HMP prison. But to be honest, everyone that's come in and all the rest of the family, friends, that's now seen it almost completed, I've just said it is absolutely wonderful. I don't know. What do you think, people? I don't know. He still has the light fitting to bring. He's got the light fittings. He's putting new light fittings in. I think that's happening today. I'm not sure. So there's been a lot happening since my last video, since my last channel when it got hacked and stolen. There's been an absolute lot. I'm just turning them off. I don't need them on through the day, but I'll show you what they're like when it's light, dark, on a night time now. Where my assistant, the wife that is, she normally sits in that chair to do her work, but then she turns round and she goes for that chair there when she's watching TV. And this is my chair, as you can see. I'm working on a project now. I'm going to do this later on, a different one. I have these heat pads. I'm going to fit them into the wife's coat. And I'm not sure whether I want to fit them in. She has osteoporosis. And she's got a broken back. It's just fused. Her back's just fused, but not right. Because she didn't know she had a broken back. And it's winter time. She wears a big coat when she's going down the shop. She likes to exercise. That's what she's doing, because they've said keep your exercise. She's got to keep her muscles and the proteins going into her bones, etc. And you know, she drinks milk, all this lot for the proteins. And I'm just sitting down. So I'm going to fit these pads into her coat. Now, for everybody, you can get them. I bought 8 of these. I have some more come, which is smaller ones. You can put them in your gloves. You can put them in your shoes. These ones cost about £1 a piece. But I have other ones, smaller ones, that cost roughly about 35p. That's on the way. They're the smaller ones that fit in your arms. They only work from 5 volt, 2 amp. USB, and this is my USB. I've made this up. One moment, I'll just put this on. Well, I'm just going to take this out of the. My wife made this cover. Our last sweep, we cut the leather off it, spun it round, and we're using it now on the suede side. She's put the holes in there ready. She's got the holes in there ready because she's going to give it a turn over, and you know that's the leather inside. And it's a nice suede now. It basically we're going to be putting slits, a slit down there and a slit down there, so that it can go onto a shoulder strap, and it can be carried anywhere it wants. Now this here is a brilliant. You can see there, it's been on roughly just with one of them pads. When this was 100%, and it's operated for 10 hours solid. That one's been working for 10 hours solid, and it used 11%. So you can see what I'm saying. If I have 2 on, 5 hours is going to be 11%. If I have 3 on, 2.5 hours is going to be 11%. So I can use 3 of them pads for 2.5 hours on this, and it'll only use 11%. You know how to do the arithmetic, people. Just multiply it on there. And it also, when you've got someone, it tells you percent. And then out there, you'll have draw. And it tells you how many amps you're pulling. Which, them pads there pull 2.5 milliamps. 2.5 amps. And this, as you can see on the back, that's the batteries. I sorted the batteries. I've done these myself, and I'm just going to trying to focus it so you can see. There's 3.7 volts. That's what they run at, about 20,000 milliamp hour. 5 volts, 1 to 2 amps, and 8 amps maximum. With the 3i amp pushing 6 amps. And it's there, and it has 1 minute. And it has 20,000 milliamp hour. So that's what it is. And on the top, look. And then when I actually plug one in, I've disconnected the plug because I'm going to join 3 together, running from one of them 2 USBs there. They're both 2 amps, pump 2 amp powers out, so I'm putting a maximum of 3 on one. But I'm just waiting for my switches to come. And there's me preparing a wire. I've had to buy a full reel of wire for it. So I bought this loudspeaker cable. It was very cheap. I got 100 meters for like £9. And it's red and black. It's dead flexible. It isn't very big. It's light. So what I plan to do is that, you see, a coat, she only wears a coat in the winter time, so I'm not going to make them permanent. And this isn't going to be permanent. I have a couple of these now. I've got a 24 volt one. It does 3, 6, 9 and 24 volts. And it can power up. I can literally start my car up on it. And I'm using them 18650 batteries in them. Sorry about all the shaking about. I'm just putting this back in its leather protective case. And there's Lily May come to say hi. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. She's 3-year-old now. How old are you, Lily? Tell everybody.
3.
Yes. And when was it your birthday? It was a couple of days ago, wasn't it? Oh, well, Lily's learning to dance now, aren't you? Are you learning to dance now, Princess? She's got a bit of a breakfast around her mouth. Your birthday, yes, she was 3-year-old, and she had a lovely birthday. She got a scooter for her birthday, didn't you, Princess?
Where's my scooter?
Oh, I think it's in the bathroom. Do you want to go and get it and show people your scooter? Like she's after showing. She hasn't. We haven't done a. It's been about 3 months where she hasn't really done anything, but I will get started up back the same. Anyway, there is. Sorry, I'm getting the dreaded cough coming on. There is plenty more to be talking about, whichever we're getting involved. Please, everybody, thank you for coming to my channel. And if there's any new people, come please subscribe. keep an eye out for my videos. I'm going to start bringing more and more videos out, and I'm starting to feel a little better. Oh, there's Lily May, and with their new scooter. Oh, she's showing the scooter. Can you move it there, Lily, so that I can see better? There we are. Now Lily's gonna she's demonstrated the scooter. And she can also, there's Lily demonstrating the scooter. It's a Peppa Pig scooter. And there's Lily, the model. She's doing the pose to show you the scooter because that's how it's done. And she is now going to demonstrate how to ride the scooter. You have to, yeah. Oh, Lily May wants to say, yeah, she's doing, that's her pose. That's her pose to show you. She's cooking her breakfast on her lip. Now she's going to demonstrate how to ride the scooter. Now you put your foot on and then you push with your other foot. Am I correct, Lily? Can you tell people how to do it? Oh, you still got food in your mouth. Right, and then, there you are. Are you ready? I'll follow there. There's Lily May riding her scooter. There we are. Now, do you want to turn in the passage and then come and show them how you cock your leg up? Lily, show them how you bring your leg up when you come in now. Are you turning round? That's it. Are you turning round, Lily? She's turning around. She rides it in the house too because she's a very experienced scooter rider. And watch how she cocks. Come through. Watch how she cocks her leg up. Cock your leg up. Look. Way. And that's how you ride it. You cock your leg up in the air like that, don't you? Show them how you put your leg up in the air, and you also stand on it like that. She can stand on it like that when she's going downhill, but when she's freewheeling, she does that with her leg, and she puts her leg up, cocks her leg up in the air. So yeah, that's Lily May on her birthday, one of her presents for her birthday, which was a scooter. We got her. Her mum and dad got a load. She got loads for her birthday. I wish I was a kid again. Anyway, I'm just keeping this short. So, I will be bringing another video out before Christmas, so I'm not going to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Well, I am. A Merry Christmas to everybody. And I hope next Christmas is going to be much better than this Christmas, and I hope this Christmas is much better than last Christmas. And a Happy New Year to everyone too. And a thank you to all my old friends from my old channel that's come over, and, Merry Christmas, a special Merry Christmas to everyone there. And please start looking out for me again. Hit that bell, and you'll know I'll put another video out because I am going to be starting to bring more. I've got lots to show you. I will be showing you, new vacuum cleaner. What else? I've got an Oculus. I've got an Oculus Go, stuff like that. So there's lots to see and lots to starting up and all that. And then my old projects, I'll show you how far I've got with them for the people that's watched my last channel, the one that got hijacked. I will show you where I am at what stage I'm on there. And the shed, I'll get into the shed and I'll show everyone inside the shed. At the moment, it's got clogged up. I haven't been in there for about 2 months. It's got clogged up, and I'm working on it now to get it unclogged. But things have changed massively in the shed. I've got, I'm changing everything. Is getting changed around, and I have a few new additions in there. So anyway, on that note, Lily May's showing you how she can juggle one ball. You're on one ball, aren't you, Princess? You're working on two, aren't you? She's learning to juggle 2 balls. Yes, and she worked on that. So on that note, like I said, a great big thank you to everyone. I'm feeling better now, and I'm going to really get stuck back into YouTube. I hope I can provide entertainment for everyone, and so does Lily May. So are you going to say bye-bye, Lily May?
Bye-bye.
There, she said bye-bye. She's so cute. On that note, thank you. Goodbye.